This is my old Apple Watch. It's a very capable machine, and yet I replaced it. And I replaced it for this. This is a watch that can do only one thing: tell the time, nothing else. So why did I replace such advanced machine for such old piece of technology? The reason is simple. While this is nice, it's like a leash. It constantly needs attention. It demands my attention. It sends me notifications. It wants me to move. It wants me to charge it. It wants me to constantly take care of it. And on top of that, in 2 years, in 3 years, it's going to be essentially in a landfill because it's not going to be good anymore. While this simple piece of old ancient technology at this point, it's a technology that is coming from the 1800s. See, it is fully mechanical. You can actually see the rotor moving inside, and that's how it is charging. This very simple piece of technology instead is designed to outlast me. I'm not fooling myself. This is not something that will run forever without any maintenance, but with minimal maintenance, called usually service, you can essentially keep it alive. And this is something that is at some level romantic, something that is going to keep working until you will care of it. And it is so different from the modern disposable technology, disposable everything. Everything is designed to just eventually end up in a landfill. But why this watch in particular? So this, if you are interested, this is a Seiko SRPJ85. It is essentially a field watch. What is a field watch? A field watch is a watch that is inspired by the Second World War watches that were used by soldiers. It has a very specific design, black dial, not shiny. The metal is brushed, is not polished. Was actually a functional thing to prevent a shiny object, so to be visible in field. It has easy to read dial, and I changed it a bit because usually it comes with a NATO strap, and instead I had the brown leather strap. This to me has character. This to me is a timepiece that actually has kind of partially represent who I am. It doesn't blend me together with every other person who has an Apple Watch. And don't get me wrong, if you have an Apple Watch and you're happy with it, keep it. For me, this is just more romantic. It's just more what actually I like. And of course, I'm not fooling myself. This is not doing the same things. So this setup by itself will not be complete because it's missing essentially the nice capability of monitoring your health. And I complemented it with something slightly different. And I complemented it with this. This is a Fitbit Air. It's a very simple strap. It does not ask for any attention, essentially. Doesn't give any notifications. It does not need to be charged every day. It can be charged once a week. And it is a perfect complement to this. Essentially, it disappears. It does its job. It does only one thing. And when I want, I can go to see in the app what is actually happening with my general data. So yeah, this is my reason for having this watch. I really like it, and would be nice if in the comments you can share with me what is your way to balance technology, utility, and at the same time having something that is actually useful, it represents you, and is not disposable. See you the next time.